Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can convert a video to MP4 file, and it will be an ultimate guide for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you are using your laptop or device, then you just need to be install your PLC media to convert video to MP4 file. So you just need to be download that player from an official website that called video land.org. So once you download, you just need to be open that one. Like let's say we are going to open BLC media, and once we open it, let's click to the continue, then into the media sections you will get this convert and save option. You just need to click this, and from that place you just need to be add your file in here. Let's say we are going to add this file in that place, and now you just need to be click on convert. Just click this convert. Once you click over here, then they will give you the option to make your profile, like what kind of options you want. I will select this one, then display the output also, and just click to the start, or you can fix the destination file first of all, then you can do it this one. Just click this one, save, and just click start, and it will be start. So this way you can easily convert a video to MP4 file. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.